Myntri Rangbah Konrad ke Sangma ulalong ukong san ban Plie padba yaka Aiom melekai football Madan Polo haka nyau tarik jemang haka jingdan lang President ke Shillong Sports Association SSA ba banti dor lingdo Menteri ki kam sports ba wailat miki shilla kinong yelekai bar ki kenhun ba pher daga ba kawe yaka lama jong ke SSA Myntri Rangbah ula perta pala Plie yaka Aiom melekai football Bathymmai haka ni ka Madan. Ulapan bena ke sorkar kalamang lai pu arlak tengka nak benta ke SSA hakani ka snam ban penlut ha ki jingdon kam jongka baro. Ula kentu ikinong yelek kai ke jela ban seilut yaki but Khubor ban penjana yaladi haki sap ki pong yelek kai ba ponjat khamtam haka football. Haka jing yelek kai baningkong hakani ka Aiom Bathymmai laya kun kamau nyang la Youth Sports Association persha yaka seila sub FCC habalade ka jing yelang Plie.
That some were selected in the national football team to play in the international tournaments. Sir, you are present here today not only as the chief guest, but I for one do believe that your presence carries a lot and has a meaningful for creating a better platform for the benefit of our young generations. Sir, as you know that the Shillong Sports Association established way back in the year 1916, affiliated by more than 100 local clubs within and around Greater Shillong. We divided into 5 divisions, conducted every year regularly sports and games, especially football. Sir, large amount of money involved in organizing tournaments. We are very lucky that in the last edition, your support has helped us to free from burden that involve the expenditure and make us a happy ending of each and every division, also the women's and the grassroots football tournaments. We expect your continuous support morally, physically, and financially to the association. I humbly pray at the same time for your consideration and sanction for construction of sitting gallery and infrastructure by the side of the River. The DPR prepared by a renowned architect and certified by the NIT is ready to hand over to you. This project is very important for us as an association with 110 years of its existence in the state. This project will not only benefit the association, but it will provide better facilities to the players and spectators with modern amenities and cleaner environment, as this new project is adjacent to the riverfront and the gateway to the new Shillong township. To end my speech, sir, as we have discussed earlier during your visit to our office, we have put forth our sincere request before you to notify the Shillong Sports Association as the implementing agency for the above-mentioned project, so that we can closely monitor the works and also balance out with ongoing Shillong Sports Association Football League tournament during the period of construction. Once again, welcome you all and extend my best wishes to the very best to all the participating in all the different divisions. The media, both print and the electronic. As today we honor and express our sincere thanks to you, sir, Konrad K. Sangma, our Honorable Chief Minister of Government of Meghalaya, for attending as the chief guest to grace this important occasion for launching and to declare the Shillong Sports Association Football League Tournament for the session 2026 open.
Football season 2026 of the Shillong Sports Association. And now it has become a reality that the Shillong Sports Association with the support of dengan serai bitim himun bapau hatin jung isar waila topong nomor dia mo ai kami mantu kum badak kacing ai sobha ya hakaju kaporu kajing slomu ya Myntri Rangbah jadi ya kajing kelut
to enjoy football. But I must congratulate MFA as well as SSA for successfully reviving the spirit of sports and spirit of football back into Shillong and the state as a whole. We all know that people in Meghalaya, they love football. And our youngsters are very passionate about football. But for whatever reason in the past, we were not able to provide the platform and the support to take football to the level that it deserves. I'm happy that in the last few years, with the efforts of our previous sports minister who is here with us today as your president, and also our current minister and the government, and all of you know both of them are football players, so they are very biased towards football. So they ensure that more and more projects and funds are given to football because they are both football players themselves. But that is why today we are seeing that there is a huge investment from the government side to promote football. We have a target and a goal to make Meghalaya and Shillong the capital of football of this country. And that does not mean simply by creating infrastructures we can achieve that. But we also have to invest in the human capital. We have to invest in tournaments. We have to invest in leagues, whether it is at the Shillong, city level, district level, and hopefully in the years to come, or months to come I should say, we will have leagues at the block level also. Because that is the only way for us to be able to really revive football at the grassroots level, is to create that excitement in our young boys and girls, even at the village level, where they will be able to look forward to that league match that will take place in some remote block in our state, which will then revive the love and the passion for football that all the young boys and girls of our state and the population at large, they have. Once again, I wish all the teams the very best. In the first year, when the SSA had come and requested for support, I had sanctioned 28 lakhs from my Chief Minister's special grant. Last year, somehow the budget went up and I sanctioned 30 lakhs last year from my CMSG for this particular league. And this year also the budget has again gone up. So now the amount has gone up even more, but I may not be able to give all the amount that they require, but with my tradition of supporting a bit more compared to last year. So last year I had supported with 30 lakhs. I'm happy to announce that I will be giving 32 lakhs this year to SSA to conduct this particular tournament in a successful manner. My only request is please invite me for some games also, so that I can also watch some of the wonderful football out here. So once again, I thank all of you. I again congratulate SSA and also congratulate our Honorable Minister, the President of the MFA. When I was thanking everybody, he's looking at me, waiting that I'll thank him also. So I don't forget, don't worry. So I thank our MFA President also for all the efforts that are put in. And once again, I wish all the teams that are present out here the very best for the tournament. Please remember, winning and losing is a part of game and a part of life. What is important is how you perceive the game. What is important is what you learn out of it. What is important is how you come out of it. How you dedicate yourself. How you work hard. How you discipline yourself. And how you become a good sports person who will accept victory and defeat in the same humble manner.